Welcome back to class, friends. Today we are going to be learning adding fractions with mixed what? Fractions. Okay, so we're going to dive right into it for you to know more about how to add your fractions with like denominators and unlike denominators together. Solution. Question 1 says 5 wholes 5/7 plus 2 wholes 4/7. As you can see here, these two denominators are the same. So we add the fractions together. We have 5 plus 2 gives us what? 7. Then 7 as the LCM. 7 divided by 7 is what? 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 7 wholes 9/7. But it doesn't end here. Do you know why? Because the numerator here is greater than the denominator. So we have to divide it. Okay? And this becomes 7 plus, this will give us 1 wholes. If we are to use the long division method, right, we have 7 and 9. 7 and 9 give us 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Remainder what? 2. So we have 1 wholes, 2 remainder, 1 wholes remainder 2/7. So we're going to add this together with the old whole number we have here, which is 7. Then this becomes 7 plus 1 is what? 8 to 7th. And this is our final answer. We can't leave our answer like this because this is an improper mixed fraction. Now, next question 2. We have 2 wholes 5/12 plus 4 wholes 7/12. Yes, here we also have like denominators. Then we add the wholes together. 2 plus 4 gives us what? 6. Then the LCM of these two fractions is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 1 times 7 is 7. And this is 6 wholes 12/12. Do you know what this means? This is 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 12 divided by 12 is 1. So this simply means what? We're going to add 6 to what? 1. And this is 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7 in this question. Number 3. 6 wholes 2/3 plus 4 wholes 7/9. Okay. Now here we don't have like denominators, but we have unlike denominators. But one of the denominators here can actually stand as LCM because the second number can actually go into the other denominator. So we're going to pick the largest number of the two denominators. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then we pick 9 as our common LCM. 9 divided 3 will give us what? 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 9 divided 9 is 1. And 1 times 7 is 7. So we have 10 wholes 13/9. Wow, another improper mixed fraction. So we're going to say 10 plus, we're going to divide this for the sake of those that don't know how to expand how to divide the fraction, how to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. 9 in 13 will go once. 1 times 9 is 9. Then we subtract. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we're not converting this to decimal. We're converting to a mixed fraction. This becomes 1 wholes remainder what? 4, which is your numerator, and your denominator is 9. Now when we add 10 to 1, this gives us what? 11 whole number 4/9. And there you have it. Alright, number 4. Question number 4. 5 whole number 1/2 plus 3 wholes 5/8. first is to add the whole number together. 5 plus 3 equals 8, right? And the LCM here is 8 because 8 can divide 2. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 1 times 5 is 5. So we have 8 whole number, 9 over 8. So we're also going to expand this, convert it to a mixed fraction, so we can add the whole number to this 8. So we have 8 plus 1 whole number, 1 over 8. And this gives us what? 9 wholes, 1, 8. I hope you're following and you're getting it as well. Then question 5. 7 wholes, 1/4 plus 6 wholes, 2/3. 7 plus 6 is what? 13. Now the denominators here are unlike and none of them can go into each other. So we're going to multiply the denominators together. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided 4 is 3. And 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 12 divided 3 is 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is what? 13 wholes, 11 twelfths. And that's the final answer. Alright, I hope this has explained how you can solve your questions on addition of fractions and mixed fraction with like and unlike denominators, and with differences in the mixed fraction of your answers. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Please remember to like, comment, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm your humble faith, Osemegbe Uhulu, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.